happy day. Myself from Wonder World Montessori Primary and Middle School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur, and we are going to take EVS, that is Environmental Sciences, for primary classes or for the basics. When I say primary classes, it means for the basic. They are very good for competitions also because your concepts are cleared here. So, today our topic is our agriculture. Now, the first thing come is, what is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land. Land पे कुछ उगाना, and it at the same time it includes horticulture. In some words का मैं meaning आगे आपको बताऊंगी. Horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Agriculture provides food for people and raw materials for industries. More than half of Indians are farmers. This makes agriculture the main occupation of our country, India. Now, when we grow something, they are called the crops. The crops, when we grow the same thing on a large field, they are called crops. India has favorable climate, fertile soil and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. Now, we can divide crops into two types, the food crops and the cash crop. Let us understand the term food crop. Food crops is the crop which are grown to be eaten as food. For example, rice, millet, meat, pulses, etc. These all are the food crops. Now, what is cash crops? Cash crops are grown to be used in industries or for sale in market are called cash crops, like cotton, jute, tea and coffee, जिससे कि हमें तुरंत पैसा मिलता है. They are called the cash crops, जिसको हम industries में देते हैं. So, these are the cash crops. Now, next is, what is agriculture production? Our total agriculture production has increased since independence. We all know this. This is due to the following factors: use of better quality of seeds, more area has been bought under irrigation, but is it good? Use of fertilizers and pesticides, which has its harmful effects also. Use of tractors and other modern agriculture machinery, so that we can, in production it gives good quality and the time period is lessened. Then now we will come to the terms horticulture. Now, what is this horticulture? Horticulture means cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables. When we cultivate this, this is called horticulture. They are grown for sale in the market. Many horticulture crops are grown in India. Horticulture crops are mostly grown in northern eastern states of India. Next term which we need to know is livestock rearing. Animals which farmers keep for their use are called livestock. कौन कौन से animals रखते? Yes, cow, buffalo, bullock, sheep and goat and camel, mule and yak. They all help the farmers. Cows and buffalo give milk. Their waste is used as manure. Bullock helps in plowing the fields, draw water from the wells, etc. So, this is all the life. This is the livestock and the farming and their rearing, that is उनको बढ़ाना या उनको पालना is known as livestock rearing. Next is fishing. Everybody knows this term. Fishing is of two types, marine and inland. जो समुद्र में की जाती है और जो हमारे inland मतलब हमारी नदियों में या ponds में की जाती है. Catching a fish from the sea is called marine fishing. It is done on the states located near the coast. Fishermen catches sardine, mackerel and shrimp from the sea. Catching fish from rivers, canals, lakes and ponds is called inland fishing. So, this is what we have to know in our agriculture. Basically, आपको ये terms पता होना चाहिए, livestock rearing क्या है, horticulture क्या है, इन सब के बारे में एक idea होना चाहिए. So, with this, I suggest you that if you like my audio, if you like my video, kindly subscribe our channel, Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar. With this, thank you.